Did you know your Android phone has a hidden setting that can instantly make it feel twice as fast? Most people have no idea it exists, and it's been sitting quietly inside your device this whole time. Today, I'll show you how to unlock it, why it works, and the one mistake you must avoid. First, let's talk about what actually slows down your phone. You might think it's storage, background apps, or an old battery, and yes, those matter. But there's something else happening behind the scenes: system animations. Every time you open an app, switch screens, or swipe between menus, Android plays a small animation. It looks nice and smooth, but it takes time, usually a few hundred milliseconds for each transition. It doesn't sound like much, but when you do this thousands of times a day, your phone feels slower than it actually is. Now here's the secret. You can shorten those animations or even turn them off completely. To activate this hidden menu, go to Settings, then scroll down to About Phone. Find Build Number, and tap it 7 times. You'll see a message saying, "You are now a developer." Go back to the main settings and open Developer Options. Scroll until you find 3 items: Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. By default, they're all set to 1x. Change them to 0.5x. Just this one change cuts every animation in half, making your phone feel dramatically faster, almost like it got a hardware upgrade. If you want maximum speed, you can even set them to off, but keep in mind that the interface will feel more snappy and less smooth. You're not harming your device. You're not installing anything risky, and you can turn it back on whenever you want. This trick works on almost every Android phone budget, mid-range, or flagship. So if your phone has been feeling sluggish, try this secret setting. It takes less than 1 minute, and the difference is immediate. This is one of the simplest ways to make any Android device feel faster without buying a new phone. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.